No, I'm not gonna push. I'm gonna wait for him to come in this one.
The mech shooting someone real close to me.
What the fuck?
What? Who?
He
What?
glitched through the fucking wall, dude.
What?
Because I didn't... Dude, there was no door opened. You didn't hear no door open, did you, Chucky?
He's looting you?
Yeah. He had to glitch through the fucking wall.
Did you get his first name?
It was Grizzly.
Grizzly?
That's the guy who killed me.
If you open the back door, he's to the left, but in front of the crates.
Getting shot at?
Yeah,
To your
same
left.
guy, I think.
I got him.
Good shit.
Is that Grizzly?
Yep, yep. Getting shot from south. I need help. I need help. I'm low,
Stay
low, low.
Stay out of combat.